So we bought this Antminer KS3 from Endless Mining off of eBay. As far as Endless Mining is concerned, I think they did a great job on this purchase. The package took 8 days to arrive. It was in a good packaging, and it was even wrapped with this sack material. I guess that's to minimize moisture. It's not necessarily waterproof, but it's dry when I receive it, so I guess that's good. Content-wise, there's really nothing to it. You have your KS3, some manuals, and 2 3-prong cables, which we will not use because we will connect this device to a 40 amp PDU. These PDUs, by the way, were purchased via Craigslist, and we paid for them using PVC Crypto. As far as setting it up, if you're not new to mining, there's really nothing to it. I just connected the C13 and C14 cables on the back of the KS3, and then to the PDU, and then turn it on.
The power cable is included.
Once it's on, it will obtain its IP address, and then you can access it using your browser, and you can configure your nice hash configurations and your address. And this machine will keep mining Bitcoin for you from then. I guess one feedback for Endless Mining is that on their website and on their eBay listing, they stated that the machine will come from Maryland. That is not true. It actually ships from Hong Kong, which is really not a big deal. Again, it took them 8 days, so that's a pretty good shipping timeline, should I say. But I still had concerns about it, so I contacted Endless Mining as I was worried that I might end up paying duties and taxes. And they did respond to me like right away. And they told me not to worry about it, as they'll take care of everything. Other than that minor thing, everything was great. Everything was good. They communicate very well. They respond fast to questions, so I still gave them a 5-star. And I'll most likely buy from them again in the future. And as far as will this KS3 ever roy, I don't know. I guess we'll find out after a year or so. Yeah, maybe after a year I'll just create, or maybe after 6 months I'll create an update whether this roy gave me a return on my investment or not. Yeah, and that's the conclusion of our walkthrough, or unboxing video. If you managed to get until this point, I would like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe. If you have any questions on crypto mining or PVC Crypto, let me know, and I will do my best to help. Thanks.